Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are building a fully functional CRUD web app using Google Apps Script and MySQL. Okay, section 1, set up MySQL database. Okay, first of all let me show you the end result here. Look, let me enter name, email, then age here, search your result. Okay, set the gender, email. Now click on save. My friends, name, email, age and gender are fetched from database. Let me check from the database here. Look, let me remove this one. Then select all from the table name is what? Users. It says only users. Then click on execute. Look here. Now, everything is the same from the browser here. Look, let me edit this one. Inside name, capital, then age, inside 45. So, sorry, here 45. Now click on save. Okay, look here, Kabada and 45. It is edited successfully. Let me check from the database here. Let me export here. Look, yeah, Kabada 45. Okay, let me delete this record. That's deleted. Now check from the database. Let me export here. Look, this here the record here. Deleted. So how to build such types of secure CRUD apps by using MySQL and Apps Script. Let me show you step by step from scratch. So session 1, setting MySQL database. First of all, let me setting up MySQL database. Okay, so first open the MySQL web page and look here. Let me remove this one. Drop database. Here the database name. This one. Okay. Click execute. Okay, now again create database. Create database here. How to get this database name? Okay, now click on here. Then here, this one. Click. So you can get here database MySQL alone database host, password, port and users. So let me copy this one. Then paste here. Now click on execute. Now let me create table. First of all, let me use this one. Use database name. Let me create the table now. Look here. It is what? Table creation. Let me copy this one here. Now click on execute. Okay. Now section 2, set up Google Apps Script project. Okay. Next, open Google Apps Script and create a new project. We will store our database credentials securely using script properties. Go to File, Project Properties, Script Properties, and add it. Okay, let me open Google Drive. Now click on. Okay, now click on Google Apps Script here. Create script. source code. So here copy this code and paste here. Now add the code here. Copy this one. Then paste. Okay. Here this was get user or create user. This get connection function. Okay, name, email, age, gender. This one is add user to here, and this function is update or edit up to here. Update and edit. And this one is as conversation create data. Just click on save. Okay. Now click on deploy. Manage all. Okay, click on this one. Manage here new deployment. Okay, click on here. However, secure. However. Now here inside anyone. Now click on deploy. Okay, click on here. This one. Okay, good. Now enter your name this side. Email here. Age 24. Gender. Now click on save here. Okay, good. Atas look as here is image from. Let me check here. This side. Also users. Look here. Must be how many edit here. This side. What is after that here name. Okay, now click on save. Yeah, after that edit name. Let me check from the database here export. That's good. Okay, let me check. Let me add another one this side. Fantastic. Okay, let me edit here this side. This side. Allow here. Okay. Here age T1. Now click on save. Okay, that's good. Now check on the database. Execute. That's good. It's all about the secure CRUD